mga idol, may nanalo na. Si Ricardo Dalisay.
Ang pambato ng Malate.
Ang pambato ng
Malate.
Tondo.
Malate.
Oh yeah. I think of you.
Oh yeah.
Every day and night.
Every night.
And now I realize, no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Weka doon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yan.
Yan ang vlogger namin.
Ay sa ating vlogger. Kaya Kaopi TV.
Thank you very much.
It's time I see my window. Imagine I was with you.
Ayun po ang kanyang leading.
And the stars
Busy sa cellphone. Ayan po, mga idol.
then when you reach your starting,
Oh yeah.
and then I realize how I feel for you. But now you are with someone new. Do I care? But I have to give.
Ang manalo po dito ay makakatanggap na isang kahong bilis lang pusit na nanggaling pa sa Palawan.
It's time to sleep now.
Oh yes. Thank you, idol.
Ay, shout out kay Kaopi TV.
Yan.
Kanin ay